What's your favorite sound? Do you like to listen to music? If so, what's your favorite music? If not, why not? Leave a comment. Welcome to medi-date, the place where we upgrade our well-being journey together. Today we want to share about the healing sounds of Tingsha.
What is Tingsha? A Tingsha is a small pair of cymbals used primarily in Tibetan spiritual traditions from the Himalayas. Tingsha are made of two small handheld cymbals connected by a leather or fabric strap. They are usually crafted from a blend of metals such as copper and tin and often feature intricate designs, symbols, or inscriptions related to Tibetan spiritual practices. The process of making Tingsha is meticulous, as the balance and thickness of the cymbals affect their sound quality. Tingsha are known for their distinctive, clear, resonant sound. History of cymbals. Cymbals have been used by the majority of ancient civilizations across different regions and cultures, including the ancient civilizations of Mesopotamia, Egypt, India, China, Greece, and Rome. These ancient civilizations used cymbals in a variety of ways, including spiritual, religious, and ceremonial practices, processions, military settings, festivals, theatrical performances, classical and folk music performances, and traditional dance, reflecting their significance across different cultures and time periods. Uses of cymbals. Cymbals are used across various ancient civilizations due to their versatile and impactful characteristics, which makes them valuable in a range of contexts. In different civilizations, cymbals are used to accompany dance, theatrical performances, and choral music. Cymbals provide a distinct and powerful sound that enhances musical performances. Their ability to produce sharp, bright tones make them suitable for both rhythm and melody in music. Cymbals are used in military contexts and during parades to signal movement, boost morale, add dramatic effect to processions and marches, and create a sense of grandeur. Their loud sound makes them effective for communication over long distances. They serve as a means of conveying messages or marking specific events. Cymbals are often employed in spiritual, religious, and ceremonial contexts, as their use marks important moments in the practices and create a sacred atmosphere. Their range of resonant sounds give off a vibration which affect our brains, eardrums, mind, thinking, emotions, spirit, and body, and aid in cleansing and purifying an area or space. Generally, everything in life is vibration. Vibrations affect our whole nervous system, and in our current environment, they are inescapable. In the same way, when struck together, Tingsha produce a sharp, high-pitched sound that can resonate for several seconds. Similar to other forms of sound therapy, Tingsha's resonant tones help focus the mind and reduce stress and anxiety by promoting a sense of peace and relaxation. Subscribe, like, share, and let's upgrade your well-being journey together. Moreover, Tingsha are commonly used in Tibetan spirituality, ceremonies, and meditation practices. They mark the beginning and end of sessions, as well as mark transitions between different stages of sessions. The practice of using Tingsha, including the mindfulness required to strike and listen to their sound, improves concentration and focus during meditation or spiritual practices. They help to set a sacred or peaceful atmosphere, and are used to clear negative energy. Their sound disrupts stagnant or negative energy patterns. The sound of Tingsha clears the mind, bringing enlightenment. The ringing of Tingsha is also symbolic of the principle of emptiness, or the idea that all phenomena are transient. The vibration and resonance of the sound aid in meditation and spiritual practices. Tingsha are also popular in various modern wellness practices, such as yoga and mindfulness sessions, due to their calming and centering effects. Some practitioners believe that the vibrations from Tingsha can help balance the chakras, energy centers of the body, facilitating physical and emotional healing. It is important to note that some sounds are pleasant, calming, and uplifting, such as music, which is really tonal vibration. We have all experienced music which we like. Gives us a feeling of joy and upliftment like nothing else. The world would be a very dull place without music. Well-chosen music can lift the spirits of anyone, even the very ill. At the same time, Harsh, sharp, continuous sounds of machinery in action can be quite damaging to our nervous systems if continued over a prolonged period, such as building projects, which may continue for up to 2 years from start to finish. Some very sensitive people can become quite disturbed and suffer stress and even illness. In the same way, it is important to note that while many people find Tingsha beneficial, these effects are largely subjective and may vary from person to person. The benefits often depend on the individual's beliefs, practices, and sensitivity to sound and vibration. The main point to remember is, where possible, stay away from harsh, sharp, shrill sounds and seek those that are calming, such as the sounds of nature, the sound of the ocean waves, or just listening to nature all around you. Until next time, peace.